Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can purchase items from credits that you can get every time you complete the mission or every time you play the game. So you can spend your credits from buying item from store tab. This is a store option at the left bottom of your screen. Click store. As you can see, there are so many options that you can buying item. So click the credit shop. This is the credit shop. This credit shop page. You can buy any item from here by using your credits that you can get from completing mission or completing the game. So this is the item. There is a weapon, a bag, a crate. For example, you can buy this rare credit crate by 1400 credits that you can get from playing games. So thank you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.